Running out of credits on Kling AI? That notification can be super frustrating, right? Well, don't worry, I'll show you a simple and legit way to get unlimited free credits. It's completely free and it's super easy to do. Let's get started. First, sign out of your current account. We're going to create a brand new one to take advantage of the free credits offered to new users. Click on Sign In, then choose Sign In with Email. Here's the thing. Kling AI requires a valid Gmail account for registration, and temporary emails won't work. But don't worry, you don't have to go through the hassle of creating a new Gmail account manually. Here's the trick. Head over to mailing.com. This site lets you quickly generate new Gmail addresses. Click New to create a fresh email. Please ensure the email does not contain a plus symbol, as it will not be accepted in Kling AI. Once you've got your new email, copy it. Now go back to Kling AI and register using the email you just copied. If you see a message saying the email is already in use, don't worry. This can happen if a person used the same method before. Simply generate another new email address on mailing.com. Copy the new email and try registering once more. Once you've successfully registered, check your email on mailing.com for the verification code. Hit that refresh button a few times, and boom, the email should appear. Copy the verification code, paste it into Kling AI, and congratulations. You now have 166 free credits to generate videos and images. Check out this incredibly realistic video, guys. And if you want a tutorial on creating a super realistic avatar, let me know in the comments. If you ever run out of credits again, you can repeat the process. Sign out of Kling AI. Go back to mailing.com and generate another Gmail address. Register a new Kling AI account with a new email, and boom, another 166 credits. If you found this tip helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more AI tips and tricks. I'll be sharing even more creative ways to make the most of your favorite tools. Thanks for watching and happy creating.